Alright, so I'm just gonna show you what I kind of do on the daily basis as for breakfast. Sometimes I'm like not in the mood to like do cereal, oatmeal. I want to have something a little bit more savory. And so I kind of do this like go-to toast because I love toast. And I kind of just, in a way, I like to use whatever I have in the fridge, so it's kind of interchangeable. So don't lock down this recipe as is. I would just say just definitely have hummus, cucumber, and tomato, and then you can also add whatever you want with what you have in the fridge. So it's kind of like a way to make use of your vegetables. So yeah, let's get started. By the way, if there's any background noise, we're redoing our backyard, so sorry for that. But I wanted to try this, my little iced cappuccino. Yeah. I don't really like to put sugar. I feel like the oat milk is kind of like perfect. Like, I don't know, I don't like to put sugar in my cappuccinos. That's how and I also feel like the pumpkin spice gives it like a little, you know, to the cappuccino. You don't have to, it's like very basic, but whatever. And now we're gonna try some of this. I mean, I know it tastes good because I make it like all the time. Sometimes I'll put like a little pesto, a little chimichurri on top, pickled onions, whatever I have in the fridge, literally. It's kind of something that I use to like use up the veggies that I'm not going to be eating, or things are going to go bad, I guess. So it's like nice to like use your produce. Not bad. Perfect. Perfect tang from the hummus. And then whenever you finish something with extra virgin olive oil, that coarse sea salt, and the freshly ground black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper, I don't know. I just feel like it really elevates any dish, to be honest. Take a little sip, you know. That's my coffee. All right, bye. All right, let's see. Our mint. Smells so good. I can't wait to make some mint tea. Then we have lemon thyme. Honestly, I never bought lemon thyme, but I figured why not use them in a recipe. Let's see, the oregano. I like rubbing it and then smelling it. Ooh, that oregano, ooh, very fragrant. And the parsley. We have flat leaf Italian parsley, It's been growing. It's a little slanted, but it's been growing. My beautiful ladies. Good afternoon, lovelies. Oh. Might be time to pick some out. Look at that. Just rub it. Wow, it smells so good. Oh my god. You get like more of a zesty lavender scent. Still need some time to sprout, to grow. We're redoing our backyard. To the shack. It's looking nice. Hi, baby.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Drawing up the shack.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
All right, look at this. Put up a whole new fence. It's coming together. Who do we have here? Who's that? Look at her. Hi, Mama. Eliza. Yeah, she's having her fun. Look at that face. Look at that face, my beautiful girl, enjoying the outdoors. We only let her in the backyard. You know, let her enjoy the outdoors, nature. Bye, Mama. Liza. Let's go inside and take a look. Wow. What are we doing here?
Just running the wire.
Running the wire. Look at that. Nice little windows. Do you need help?
No.
You sure?
Yeah. Alright. A little bit more. I'm just running into this first box. And then I'm going to just go from box to box.
Wow. So you have to drill those holes yourself?
Yeah, I did them just now.
Wow. Look at those holes. My man's smart. Ooh, flies. Alright. Little makeshift rolly thingy, I don't know. Beautiful June day.